How to make a 3-minute chocolate cake in home. Good news for chocolate lover, yes, it's very easy. Here are the ingredients used for making chocolate cake. 4 tablespoon all-purpose flour. 4 tablespoon sugar. 2 tablespoon baking cocoa. 1 egg. 3 tablespoon milk. 3 tablespoon oil. 3 tablespoon chocolate chips, don't worry you can't skip this if you don't want it. 1/8 tablespoon vanilla extract. Now here are some simple steps to follow. Add dry ingredients to microwavable coffee mug and mix it well. Add the egg and mix thoroughly. Pour in the milk and oil and mix it again. Add chocolate chips, if using, and vanilla, splash to taste, mix again. Put your mug into the microwave and cook for 3 minutes at 1000 watts. The cake will rise over the top of the mug, but don't be alarmed. Allow to cool a little. Can be tipped out on a plate if desired.